Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 online to offline. So today I'll be showing how to do a GTA 5 online to offline. So there are two ways to go offline in GTA 5. First thing is go to online. Then after that you can click on leave GTA 5 online. Then it will head you directly straight back to the GTA 5 offline. And another way to go offline on GTA 5 is hold on the Alt, then click which character. Once I've clicked on yes, press the enter button. It will now head me back to GTA 5 offline. So right now I'm gonna choose Michael. So here we go. We're going to Michael. And there we go. We are now at GTA 5 offline. So that's how you go to GTA 5 online to offline. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.